Happy New Year, everyone. We're excited to make it here to 2026. We want to take a moment to look back at this past year and thank you for being a part of our Country Life journey. We are proud to say we've shipped out over 50,000 orders to over 30,000 different families and businesses here across the United States and Canada. We launched shipping to Canada here as well. We're also excited about the new products we were able to launch to help you along your healthy eating journey, because our mission is how do we make healthy eating simple and accessible to as many people as we can. So we launched a new fresh milled flour bundle to make it even easier for you to try all different kinds of grains. If you're gonna make fresh milled flour or use it as cereal, all kinds of really good things. Along with a Sprout Spout product that we introduced to make it super easy for you to sprout seeds right from the comfort of your own home. So that way, even here in the winter months, you can still have fresh foods for your sandwiches and salads and so much more. We also tried to put together the best-in-class ordering experience, from new improvements to our website to launching a new mobile app. So if you have an iPhone or an Android, check out your app store and look up Country Life Foods to download our app. But also one thing I'm most excited about, what we were able to do here in 2025, is we launched Country Life Plus. We put together our minds and said, how can we create just the best ordering experience possible? And so we put together free express fulfillment. So every order will ship out next business day from our facility to you. Transit times may vary, but we also included free shipping on any order, whether it's just a jar of seasoning or a thing of toothpaste to a whole 2,000-pound pallet. It's all free delivery right to your home, along with new deals every month on select items that are exclusive only to Country Life Plus members, along with rewarding you with every dollar you spend. So we do 4% cash back you can use on future Country Life purchases to reward you for eating healthy. And so we are so excited about Country Life Plus, and we encourage you to sign up as we look for this next year to be a year of health. Because here at Country Life, we aren't just about helping you live more years, but we want you to have more life in the years that you have. And so we are so excited about all the things we did this past year. We have lots of exciting things happening here in 2026. But we just want to take a moment to thank you. Thank you for being a part of our journey and helping us in our mission to share Christ through making healthy eating simple and accessible to as many people as we can. So I wish you a happy new year, and thank you for being a part of our Country Life journey.